All right, Cheney Electronics wants to introduce our thermoelectric generator kit, and here it is right in here. It has two aluminum L brackets. It has the Peltier module sandwiched between them. Here's the wires that are coming out. It connects either way, this way or that way, does not matter, that will just determine the way that the motor will spin. I have a glass of insulated cup of ice water on this side, and then on this side, let me kind of raise it up a little bit. I'm going to be pouring in some boiling hot water. Be careful on this. This looks to be about 2 cups. I'm going to fill it all the way to the top. There we go there. Just give it a moment while the bottom aluminum L bracket warms up and while the top bracket in here cools down. May just take a second. Nice. What is happening here is there's PN junctions that are sandwiched between 2 ceramic plates, and that is creating electricity that's generating the electricity to the fan blade as it spins. It's a nice little demonstration kit. Very practical and great demonstration.